Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to try ported magic on your iMac. So first thing, just turn on Mac and just tap on Alt button or on Option button if you have Apple keyboard, and now just wait until it will load. So now after you see that, you just need to insert your disk. Now you just need to choose. After you will see it, just choose from here. So after you will see this menu, you just need to choose from here. We will just try in live to run in live. So let's just try to do that. And so here you can see it, ported magic. So this is how it looks like. From here you can also just erase or remove files you want to. This is the way how you can also work with that. Also, no, it's a really nice tool for just maybe I will show to you an example of this one if I want to delete. So here you can see that I successfully delete it without any problem. So really nice one. Really nice app, you know, it will help you to just remove some partitions if you can't do it, or it's a really nice app.